على معهد IH مانشستر في هذه الإطلالة الجميلة على الشارع العام تقريبا. وكالعادة قبل ما نبدأ الفيديو حبيت أبلغكم أنه أنا وزملائي في رحلة التعليم على أتم الاستعداد لتنسيق رحلاتكم والإجابة على جميع استفساراتكم المتعلقة بالدراسة في الخارج. أرقامنا وعناوين التواصل موجودة في الأسفل، وما يمنع على طريقك أن تشترك في قناتنا وتضغط على الإعجاب إذا عجبك الفيديو.
Hello, my name is John O'Leary. I'm the principal of IH Manchester and I'd like to give you a big welcome to our school. Do you want to come in and have a look? So here's our reception area where the staff works. A really good thing about the school, very easy for the students to talk to any of the key staff, the academic managers, welfare and accommodation manager. Nice community feel, everyone together speaking English and having a good time. This is our small library. We also have lots of online resources that we provide for our students. All of the classes have fantastic resources to help students develop and practice their English. So at lunchtime, people come in, they relax, they speak English together, and it's all nice. So this is the main corridor for our school. We have our social activities. Students go on trips at the weekend. We have online socials. Today, we're going to decorate the school for Christmas. We're going to have special Christmas drinks and snacks, and people are going to decorate the tree. Really nice. All of our classes also have special cameras, special microphones, which mean if you can't come to school, maybe you feel a little bit sick, or maybe you have to quarantine, you can still see all of your classes. You won't miss a second. Obviously, it's Manchester, city of football, so our football course is a very important part of the school. Professional football training, along with English studies, so really fantastic. One of our normal classrooms, bright and comfortable and spacious. Along with all of our classrooms have special cameras in case students need to see the class from home. Projectors, good internet, really fast internet. All of our classes have special Microsoft Teams where students can get all of the material, all of the whiteboards, all of the study plans, give their homework, all collected in one place. Really, really nice and really helps students develop their study.
Right. So in the beginning, thank you for having us, Mr. John.
Very welcome, always good to have you.
Thank you. I want to ask about how many classes in your school?
So at the moment we have pre-IELTS, intermediate IELTS class, upper intermediate IELTS classes. We have beginner elementary classes. We have pre-intermediate, intermediate and upper intermediate general English classes. So we have a big variety of classes. Students aren't mixed in the wrong levels. Students are in the correct level so that the classes are difficult enough but not too difficult. So they're learning new things but they understand each other. And to be honest, I'd say the best thing about the school, I think, are the teachers. Extremely well qualified. I agree with you on this. Yeah, I know about teachers. They are, mashallah, very good teacher. Yeah. We never get students asking, you know, I don't like this teacher, I don't like that teacher. You know, if the students, no matter which teacher they're with, the students are happy. They're professional, qualified, and there's great management of the teachers. We give our teachers a lot of help, support, materials. So I think in any school, the most important thing is the quality of the teaching, but then the relationship between the students and the teacher, that there's cooperation to help students get the English they want.
What is the minimum age you will accept in your school?
So we are minimum age in this school is 16.
Okay, what about summer?
In the summer, there is we have a summer school program with our colleagues at IH London, and that's 11.
All 11.
That's 11. But that's a residential summer school.
What is the, you have football course?
We have a football course all year round. We have 2 football academies. We have one football academy based in Manchester, another football academy based in Ellesmere College. It's a big boarding school, a little bit south of Manchester.
Okay, when students come to here to study this course, what is the schedule, daily schedule?
So the students can come, it's an educational football program. So in the morning they could have English language courses, they could have GCSE or A-level courses. English language is here, exactly, yeah. The A-level courses, GCSE courses, International Foundation Year courses, they're completed with our partners at Abbey College, a private school in Manchester. We run the International Foundation Year in conjunction with Abbey. So students do their lessons in the morning, and then they have 2 hours of football each day. So that's like a year-round program. And both courses have remained vibrant and full, and have just been very successful even through the pandemic. Now in the summer, for the summer program, that will be, again, it'll be English language predominantly, and then have professional football training after their English language courses.
Good. Talk to me about next nationality in your school.
I think we've always been lucky that we've had a mix of nationalities. All of those are available on our website, and you'll see that we have a good mix of students. Now, we do get Saudi students, Kuwaiti students, students from the Gulf, so we're very experienced with helping students from the Gulf with their particular English development, but we have a mix. Partly because of the football, our footballers are very international, but the company has strong links in Italy especially, so we've always had a good mix. A student came here yesterday actually from another school, and all his classes were everybody spoke the same language, and in none of our classes do all of the students speak the same language. There's always a mix.
What about your accommodation? I think you have 2 kind of accommodation. You have
student residence
and homestay
accommodation. Yeah.
Is it fine?
So maximum is 40 minutes. For under 18s, it's compulsory to choose host families. And the way Manchester is, families, with 1 or 2 people living in the house with children, like a family environment, they tend to be a little bit out of the centre. So for that family type of environment, they're a little bit out. So maximum 40 minutes.
Maximum.
Yeah, but Manchester transport links, particularly the tram. If you're getting the tram, the transport is fast in the town.
I think you have a student residence. It's close.
Student residence is in the summer. There's much more availability. When the university students go, there is much more city centre accommodation available. But even during this year, our student residence is 20 minutes walk from the school, and the school is exactly in the centre of Manchester.
كانت هذه تغطيتنا لهذا المعهد الرائع، نتمنى أنها حازت على رضاكم واستحسانكم، ودمتم بحفظ الله ورعايته، والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.